Wearing safety glasses can be potentially life-changing. Not only does it give you a peace of mind, it also can protect you from potential injury. But there's a difference between safety glasses for different environments. Say you're working in an environment where there is a lot of dust, you don't want to wear safety glasses specifically made for welding. So let's take a look at some of the different safety glasses and how to choose one. Now, the first thing you always want to make sure is that the safety glasses that you're choosing are ANSI Z87 approved. What does that mean? It means that it is approved by the American National Standard Institute. And how you check that is, if you already have safety glasses, you can check the frame. If it says Z87, they are ANSI Z87 approved. If it doesn't, they're not. If you're working in an environment where heat is a big factor, like metal arc welding, gas cutting, you want to make sure to protect your eyes from 1, the heat, 2, any potential sparks or fumes, and 3, very important, light radiation. Now, based on your activity, based on your profession, there is different levels to the light radiation, and different levels require different amount of tints, different amount of shades. For example, arc welding requires a shade of 7, while oxygen cutting operations requires a minimum shade of 4. So make sure to pick the right shade for the right activity, because you really want to make sure that you do not get eye damage. OSHA.gov gives a good link on how to make those decisions, and I've put a link in the description below. If you're working in an environment where there is a lot of dust, you obviously want to protect your eyes from any potential particles flying into your eyes. One of the main ways to do this is not just having a regular safety glass. You also want to have safety glasses that specifically have wider side shields, and perhaps also a foam gasket or a brow bar. Now, if you're working in an environment where there is a lot of chemicals involved, you want to make sure that you're choosing safety glasses that can handle those chemicals. So one thing that you really want to make sure is that you have lenses that are polycarbonate, because polycarbonate lenses are very chemical resistant. Now, to have protection from all sides, again, I recommend safety glasses that have side shields, and preferably also protection from up top. Another thing you want to consider is to not add any coatings or tints except anti-scratch, because any other coatings on the outside of the lenses will make them more sensitive to chemicals and aging. Now, this whole process can be a little bit overwhelming as there are so many frames and so many lenses to choose from, so we would love to help you. If you have any more questions, feel free to give us a call or use the chat option on our website.